this video, I will be showing you how simple it is to wire the compact 12-volt door kit. After you unbox it, open it up and remove the inside contents. Just set these aside, we will need them momentarily for mounting. Next, we're going to install the mounting plates on the back if necessary. So we just turn it over and put the mounting blocks following the instructions on the back of the box. It can be mounted in a wall or in the drop ceiling. Power is going to be coming from that junction box around and stubbed into our box right there. Now we connect any 110, 220, or 277 AC power into the compact door kit enclosure. We first remove the flash plate by loosening the screws. You may have to remove the terminal block on the bottom of the SureFi unit to get to the second one. Then carefully roll down the flash cover. We then measure for a hole for our power to come in between the standoff plate and our flash cover. This poly enclosure allows you to drill anywhere under the flash cover to line up conduit. Then fasten the NC with a nut. Connect the green wire to the grounding block. Now we connect the wires to the Wago connectors by lifting up on the orange lever, sliding the wire in, and then closing the orange lever down. Do this on common and hot. Now we carefully replace the flash cover, making sure not to pinch or cut any of the wires. Tighten up the screws and replace the 10-pin wiring block to the bottom of the SureFi. Next, I will show you how to wire the keypad and door strike wires into the compact door kit. We start with the red wire from the keypad going into V-Bus. We need to make sure we bring a ground wire, even if it's powered separately. We need a ground wire from the keypad or Wiegand device into the ground. Then we land our data 0 into the wiring terminal labeled D0. And then we land data 1 into the terminal block labeled D1. If your keypad has an LED, you can land the LED wire into the terminal block labeled LED. All we have left is the door strike. We're going to take the positive wire from the door strike and put it into R1, normally open. And because it's going to be a wet contact for a door strike, we're going to take the black wire or the ground wire into ground. But we can get a 12 volts through that relay. We need to move the jumper on the left on the relay 1 of the SureFi device onto the back 2 pins. If you have any other accessories like a door position switch or a request to exit button, you can also put them on the wiring terminal block. After you connect the controller interface to your controller, you're done. For questions or support, or to talk to a person like me, please give us a call at 844-787-3340.